battle stations. Report to the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond. Stand by. Scanners detecting more trouble in Sector 9. No doubt, so we're good.
Worth more when they're lit.
Please stay forward. Sit back in your seat. Your shield will be lowered automatically.
All right, Space Rangers, aim for the seats. And remember, the targets are worth more when they're lit.
Your space cruiser. Spin at will. Joystick spin control is now active. You may begin spinning your space cruiser. Joystick spin control is now activated. You are now expanding your space cruiser.
Buzz Lightyear. You pay for that, Space Ranger. Hold still. Impossible. No one can aim so precisely. We warn Space Ranger. Now you must be
Space Rangers, reach body, destroy Zurg's secret weapon.
Why should we ruin the planet?
You've got Zurg on the run. Blast him with everything you've got.
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!
Reach body, destroy Zurg's secret weapon.
No! My secret weapon! Ruined!
Zurg on the run. Blast him with everything you've got.
Ouch, escape!
It out loud. We are eternally grateful.
Fuck my limits!
Yeah, we will return her to the store.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you.
Check the status board to determine your rank, and don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank.
Good job, Space Rangers. Exit the space cruiser to the right. Good job, Space Rangers.